Guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to search for a file in Google Drive. This feature is especially helpful when your drive is packed with documents and you need to locate one quickly. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into your account. At the very top of the page, you'll see a search bar. This is where you can type keywords related to the file you're looking for, such as the title, the file type, or even the content inside the document. As soon as you start typing, Google Drive will display suggestions based on recent activities and matching file names. You can click on any suggestion or press enter to see the full list of results. To narrow your search, click on the small filter icon inside the search bar. This advanced search tool allows you to filter by type, like documents, sheets, or PDFs, by owner or by modification date, or even by what's contained within the file. Once you adjust the filters and press search, Drive will show only the files that meet your criteria, making it faster to pinpoint exactly what you need. Using the search and filters tool is simple but powerful to save time and stay organized, especially if you work with a large number of documents. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.